take one more important problem from tangents and secants. See here diagram is given. So in this diagram, the radius of the circle is 3 centimeters and length of DD is 9 centimeters and length of DC is 3 centimeters. And what he is asking to find the length of AB and AC. So we have 3 sides in the triangle. So length of the third side BC equal to 12 centimeters, 9 plus 3. And we have to find length of this AB and AC. We don't know what is area of triangle also. So how to find length of AB and AC? So to find this, I am going to use the concept of tangents and incircle. What is incircle? Incircle is a circle which passes through the 3 sides of a triangle, whereas circumcircle passes through the 3 vertices of a triangle. Okay, so this is an incircle where BC is a tangent. Since it is touching a circle at only one point, say D. So D is a point of contact. And AC is also tangent, touching the circle at only one point, say E is a point of contact. And AB is also tangent, touching the circle at F. Okay. So what I am taking, D comma E comma F are points of contact. Now, next we have a theorem. If two tangents drawn from the exterior point, let us take the circle and P is the exterior point, tangent drawn from the exterior point. So P is the exterior point and A and B are points of contact. Okay, two tangents drawn from the exterior point. From theorem, the lengths of the tangent are equal. AB and BP are equal. So using this theorem, here B is the exterior point and BD and FB are the tangent. So lengths of these two tangents drawn from the exterior point are equal. So can I take this FB equal to 9 cm? Similarly, these two are BC and EC also tangents drawn from the exterior point C. So this is also 3 cm. These two lengths are equal and this length equal to this length. Okay. So tangents drawn from the exterior point are equal. Now I am taking this length AF and AE as x centimeters. Let AF equal to AE equal to x centimeters. Okay. Here I will find the value of x. Why? Because here AB equal to x plus 9, AC equal to x plus 3. If you find this x value, then we can find the lengths of AB and AC. But how to find this x value? Simple. We have two methods. One is Heron's formula, under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. But that is lengthy method. I will explain the easiest method, that is right angle triangle. If I prove this ABC is a right angle triangle, then we can take square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides by Pythagoras theorem. So how to prove? How to prove this triangle ABC is right angle triangle? Here OD is the radius, that is given 3 centimeters. If I join this OE, that is also radius 3 centimeters. Now see, this quadrilateral OECD is a rhombus or not? Since all the four sides are 3 centimeters, radii 3 centimeters, and from the exterior point theorem, these two lengths are also 3 centimeters. So in a quadrilateral, all the four sides are equal, then it is rhombus. But we have another theorem, that is theorem 9.1. The tangent drawn is perpendicular to the radius through point of contact. That is, this angle is 90 degrees. Of course, this is also 90 degrees. In a rhombus, any angle is 90, then that is a square. Okay, rhombus with right angle is a square. So what we can write? OECD is a square. Why it is a square? Since OD equal to DC equal to C equal to OE equal to 3 centimeters and angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so this quadrilateral is a square. In a square, all the angles are 90 degrees. Can I write angle C is equal to 90 degrees? Since OECD is a square. Now, ABC is a right angle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Why? Because angle C we got 90 degrees. So this angle C equal to 90 degrees. First I proved this is a square. So angle C is also 90 degrees. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Now use Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse AB square equal to AC square plus BC square. What is AB? X plus 9 whole square. What is AC? X plus 3 whole square. What is BC? 9 plus 3, 12 square. Okay. Now expand. A square plus 2AB plus B square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square plus 144. Okay. Now both plus x square plus x square, either sides are equal symbol have same sign. So x square and x square will get cancelled. 18x minus 6x. 18x minus 6x equal to 144 plus 9 is 153. 153 minus 81. So 12x equal to 13 minus 153 minus, that is 72. X is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, we got the value of x. Now, what is the length of AB? Length of AB equal to x plus 9, that is 6 plus 9 equal to 15 centimeters. Length of AC equal to x plus 3, that is 6 plus 3 equal to 9 centimeters. Okay, we got the length of AB equal to 15 centimeters, length of AC equal to 9 centimeters. So it is very simple. I hope you understand. First track is proving ABC is a right angle triangle. How to prove ABC is a right angle triangle? All the four sides are equal, and from theorem 9.1 this is perpendicular 90 degrees. Radii are same. So 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. From exterior point theorem, these two also same. So all the four sides are equal. So it is a rhombus, and one of these angles is 90. So it is a square. In square, all angles are 90. So angle C is also 90. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Next, using Pythagoras theorem, square of this equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. We'll get a quadratic equation by solving a linear equation. By making x subject, we got x equal to 6 centimeters. Next, AB equal to 6 plus 9, AC equal to 6 plus 3. Okay? Thank you.